One of your tasks this week is to explore different ways of making the same amount. I'm going to do that by making a strip book with all your different answers in it. The first one is 1 pence, so it's easy peasy. I've got a 1 pence and I'm going to put it on my sheet and I'm going to draw around it really carefully. It might be better for you to just use pencil. It's quite tricky with the pen. And then I'm going to write 1 pence in the middle. And that's me done with that one. I'm going to put it over there. Now, I'm going to show you something with the 2 pence. Now, I know that you know that we all have 2 pences. We have 2 pences. So that makes the 2 pence amount. I'm going to draw around that because that is the coin. It's 2 pence. But this is only one way that we can make the amount 2 pence. So I've got that, and because I know that that makes the 2 pence, I'm going to draw like a set round about it, a circle round about it showing that makes 2 pence. Now I'm going to find a different way to make the amount 2 pence. So I need to find coins that will work together to make the same value as the 2 pence coin. And I know that if I use a 1 pence coin and another 1 pence coin, 1 add 1 makes 2, then that's going to work. So I will exchange my 2 pence coin for my 2 1 pence coins. This is called exchange. I put them over. Goodbye. Don't need you anymore because these are worth the same amount as that 2 pence coin. So what I do is I'm going to record my answer by carefully drawing around my 1 pence coins. And there's my other one. Now I know the 1 pence and the 1 pence go together to make the 2 pence. So I'm going to draw a set roundabout so that I know they go together. And that is my 2 pence page of my book. When I look at that, if I get stuck, I'll know that I can make the amount 2 pence by using a 2 pence coin or by using 2 1 pence coins. The next page of my book is going to be 3 pence. So I'm thinking to myself, do I have a 3 pence coin? Does a 3 pence coin exist? And the answer to that is no. We've got 1 pence coins, 2 pence coins, and then it jumps to a 5 pence coin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the next biggest value of coin that I can next to the 3. It's not quite as big as the 3, but it's the next biggest one. And I'm going to put that 2 pence coin down there. So if I have got 2 pence, I can draw this on my number line. There's my 0. And I want to get to 3. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, I have already got my 2 pence. So I'm going to start from here. And I want to jump to 3 pence. How many jumps is that going to be? It's just going to be the 1 jump till I get to 3 pence. So that is plus 1. So what I do is I take my 1 pence coin and I put it next to my 2. 2 pence add 1 pence makes 3 pence. I've recorded my answer that 1 2 pence coin and 1 1 pence coin go together to make the value 3 pence, to make the amount 3 pence. What I'm going to do now though is find another way to make 3 pence. I know that I can exchange 2 pence for 2 1 pence coins. So if I exchange, I say goodbye to that one and I leave my 2 1 pence coins in its place. That's 1, 2, I've got another way of making 3 pence using 3 1p coins. Now we're going to do the amount of 6 pence. When you get beyond 5 pence, so that means when you get to an amount that's higher than 5 pence, I would like you just to choose 4 different ways of making that amount, because I don't think you can fit any more on the page. All right, let me ask myself the first question. Do I have a 6 pence coin that I can start with? I've got a 1 pence, a 2 pence, a 5 pence, and the next kind of coin I've got is 10 pence. So I don't have a 6 pence coin. They haven't made one. What I need to decide now is which coin to start with. So I look for the coin that's not too much of an amount, it's not too big an amount, and it's the coin that's got the next biggest value next to 6. So the one would be a 5. So there's my 5 pence, and I need to think, how many more jumps do I need to get to make it up to 6? 5, 6. So that's just one more jump. So there is my 1 pence coin. 5 add 1 makes 6. So I have drawn round my 5 pence and my 1 pence because I know that makes 6 pence. I'll put it in a set all together. Now, to make it easier for myself, I am going to do a simple exchange. I am going to think about how many pennies have the same value as 1 5 pence coin, and that's going to be 5 1 pences. So I'm going to exchange that 5 pence coin for 5 1 pences. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's me exchange it for that 5 pence coin. And then of course I would need another 1 pence to make it up to 6. So that's another way that I can make 6 pence. Now I have 3 different ways of making the amount 6 pence. A 5 pence coin and a 1 pence coin. A 1 pence, 1 pence, 1 pence, 1 pence, 1 pence and 1 pence to make 6 pence altogether. And 3 2 pence coins, 2, 4, 6 to make 6 pence as the amount. And I've got space for just one more way of combining different coins to make 6 pence. Now I'm going to use exchange to change this 2 pence coin back again to 2 1 pence coins. So I'm going to take this 2 pence coin and I'm going to exchange it for 2 1 pence coins. Okay, so I'll put those down instead of this. There you are. 2 pence. And this one, well, I could keep it and I could keep this one. And then we'd have that to make 6 pence. 2 add 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6. I could do that. Or I could exchange this 2 pence coin as well as that one for 2 1 pence coins. I think I'm going to do that. But I think so it looks nice, I'm going to exchange this 2 pence coin for these 2 1 pence coins. Because they have the same value. 2 1 pence coins have the same value as the 2 pence. Once you have finished making all of your pages all the way up to 10 pence, you can staple all your pages together, and if you like, you could add a front cover to it with the title My Money Book. Remember, you have a choice. It might suit you better to have pages showing how to make the amounts of 11 pence all the way through to 20 pence. That's up to you. Whatever you decide, enjoy!